In this video tutorial, you will learn how you can easily integrate MailChimp with the free forms you build in your websites and apps. This means that you will be able to collect data such as email addresses and names in the forms you build on the platform, and then add them directly and automatically to any list you have created in your MailChimp account. Let's start by selecting the page where we have the form we want to integrate, and then let's click on the free form widget. Here you see the list of fields you have created for this form, and that will be used to collect the data from visitors and send to MailChimp. To start the integration, you need to scroll down and then click on the integration section here. The first field that you need to fill is the API key. To get this value, you can click on the link here below or go directly to your MailChimp account API section, like this. Here you need to create an API key if you don't have one yet, or copy the one you have, like this. Now you can go back to the site maker and pass the key in this field. As you see, the list drop-down starts loading and automatically populates itself with the MailChimp list you have in your account. Now you can choose the one where you want the context collected from this form to end up, and as you select a list, the fields mapping section here below gets updated. What you need to do here is basically map the form fields in your website to the fields you created when you built the list on MailChimp, starting from the email address and adding all the other mappings that you want. You can leave a mapping blank, and that field will not be used when adding a new subscriber to your MailChimp list. Now we can save this data so you can test if everything is working correctly. Open the website and go to the section where the form is located. You can fill the form with some data, like a name and an email address, and then send it. If you now go to your MailChimp account here, you find the email address we just entered, with the other data we provided, in this case the name, and you can see that everything was correctly added to the list you selected in your integration section. So that's it. In less than 2 minutes, you got everything up and running, integrating MailChimp with your free forms. Thank you for watching and for using the platform.